Hi, hello, can you hear me? 响 make a sound. Look how to write this one. 响 left side is 口 use 口 to make a sound. Left side is 口 right side is 像 the right side is the phonetic part, give you the hint of the pronunciation. 响 响 radical is 口 mouth 口 响 make a sound. All the sound. Verb 动词 verb 名词 noun 形容词形 adjective 一声不响一声不响一句话都没有说 keep silent without any sound 一声不响电话铃响了电话铃响了 telephone ring up 铃 bell telephone bell ring up 枪响枪 gun 枪响喇叭 horn 喇叭响喇叭响电视机太响了拧低点儿电视太响了 TV is too loudly turn it down turn the volume down 拧 to twist 拧低点儿响亮 very loudly 他的声音很响亮 his sound is loud and clear 他唱歌声音很响亮 this is 响亮 is HK 6 words 响声响声声 sound or noisy 响应应答应响应他响应他们的号召响应 something callings for them to save the environment 响应 respond answer to 响应 is also the HSK 6 the highest level words 响应影响影响 influence 不良影响良 good 不良 not good not good influence the sad the harmful the adverse effect 交响乐交响乐 symphony 交响乐队 the symphony orchestra 交 mix 响 song 乐 music 队 the team have different type of the music instrument mix the song together but in the harmony way so 交响乐队 symphony 响当当 outstanding 他是个响当当的人物 he is a outstanding the soundable person 他是个响当当的人物钟声响了12下 the bell rings rung 12 times 钟声响了12下当新年的钟声敲响时人们会点燃爆竹烟花新年 New Year 钟声 the bell 敲 knock 响 make a sound rings 人们会点燃爆竹烟花点燃 light up 爆竹 firecrackers and 烟花 means fireworks Here's a 30% off coupon. You can apply this coupon code in edu.biz/shop. Even the course is under promotion, you will get 30% off extra. Take it. If you need the one-to-one Skype lesson, our teachers are waiting for you. All course design are using the same method you are looking now. Use a PowerPoint to design in very detail, give the best English translation possible. And all courses cover from very beginning to very high end. Our course design is FY1 to FY6. FY1, FY6 stand for the Foreigner Year 1. It's a course for foreigner to learn Chinese. And K1 to K3, kindergarten, Year 1 to Year 3 for the children from 3 years old to 6 years old. And our course also designed for the examinations for the foreigner, like the HSK, from level 1 to level 6. HSK stands for 汉语水平考试, means Chinese Proficiency Test. It's a test done by Chinese government, especially for the foreigner to sit for Chinese exam, to test your level of Chinese. And we also have many courses for the GCSE, IGCSE, AS, O-level, A-level, now they call A1 or A2, the British exam. And also international Chinese exam like IB. IB stand level, SL, and IB HL, the high level. And also the American course, SAT and AP Chinese. See you.